Who is it? What's that this late? Who is it?
It's fear.
Fear who?
Did this nigga just say fear who like a knock-knock joke? It's your fear.
My fear?
Yes, your fear.
Why are you knocking at my door?
Because I'm asking for permission this time.
What? Permission?
For me to come inside you.
Inside me? Huh?
Yes, because you always let me inside like a whole spread eagle with your legs spread wide open.
I ain't no hoe. See, I see what you talking about. You caused me so much pain over the years. Why are you asking for permission this time?
Something changed. You have a locked door now.
Philippians chapter 4:13. Faith through Christ strengthen me through all things.
Ah, that's why I couldn't sense your weakness anymore.
So get the fuck out my porch.
One day, baby, one day, you will understand how I get it though. Man, it's everything I ever said it is. Mixing liquor,